Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to set up Klaviyo flows and form on Klaviyo successfully. So before I get started, I need your favor on something. Kindly subscribe to my channel right now, turn on the notification bell, like this video. Now I'll get started. So the first thing you have to think of before you say you want to set up a Klaviyo is you have to go down to your buyer's Shopify store or your own personal Shopify store. So this is my Shopify store here, as you can see. So I'm going to click on apps. So I already integrated my Klaviyo account with my Shopify. So I'm going to click on, as you can see, Shopify, and click on Klaviyo. Then it will automatically take me down to my dashboard on Klaviyo. Okay, so guys, this is my dashboard on Klaviyo. So once you type, let me show you something. Once you type in this app here, because I integrated my own Klaviyo, that's why it's showing here. But if you want to start, like you want to follow the step gradually, the first thing you have to do is go to apps on your store backend, type Klaviyo, click on the first option that you see there, install Klaviyo on the store and integrate them together. So once you integrate them together, you can now go straight to your Klaviyo dashboard, which I will show you guys shortly. So this is the store I'm working on right now. I'll show you. So as you can see, I'm still working on the store. Now I'll go down to my Klaviyo dashboard. So the first thing I want to teach you guys today is how to create sign-up form in order to generate leads and lead. Why do you want to generate leads and lead? Because the reason why you want to generate leads and leads is to be able to blast campaign to them easily and convert them into consistent buyer and get more brand awareness and more reach. So the first thing right now is sign up form. This sign up form, I'm going to click on it. Click on sign up if you are watching this video. So once you click on this sign up, it will load. It's loading now, guys. Yeah, it's still loading, guys. Please hold on a few seconds. Okay, so here it's still loading. It will bring up some options or some templates, but right now I already click on the form, like I already click on the template. So let me just show you. I'm still currently editing the form I'm working on right now. So once you get to this place on this sign up, click on a template there, then re-edit the template. So look at this place now. This is the template I'm re-editing. But first thing, once you click on the template, they will ask you to name the template. I named the template just the same name, the exact name of my store. As you can see, the exact name of my store is what I named the template. So now I will click on this. As you can see, I added some call to action in this pop-up form. Like you see, hurry up, instantly unlock now, 50% off your first order. So if an audience sees this, they will be like, whoa, nice. They will input their email immediately and place an order, or they could get distracted and go away. Then thereafter, that's why we need to also set up Klaviyo flows, because once you get this email, you can send a quick notice back to them after a few hours. For example, someone that input their email here but didn't later purchase the product. So when you resend a new campaign to their Gmail, they will come back and purchase. So most times this works very, very well in according with when you are running ads on Facebook. While you're running ads on Facebook, concentrate more on email marketing. Specifically, use Klaviyo. Klaviyo is one of the best email service provider you could use. So now I already added everything I want to add here. My button, if you want to change the button's color, I'm coming guys. I want it to load. Still loading. Few minutes. So guys, this is where you can change your button color. This button color, this over color is the one that will appear immediately an audience click on this button. It will change automatically. So if you want to change this color, you can change it by clicking on the color. So in this section also, if you want to remove this section, you can see this there's a remove section there. Click on this button immediately if you want to remove it. So now I want to remove this for you guys to see it. So you can see delete block. So I have to delete this block now. Okay, few minutes, still loading. So guys, block deleted successfully. So the next thing you have to do while you are done constructing your pop-up form is check the preview on mobile, because most audience that enter your website mostly are on mobile. Do you understand? Good. So as you can see, there's two options here. There is desktop option and there's mobile option. So you click on this mobile option in order to see the way the form will show on mobile. As you can see here guys, you see that this is the exact way it's going to show on a visitor's mobile. Do you see like that? Good. So I already edited everything I want here is already there. So I will click on publish, on this publish button here. Publish form. You are about to save and publish your sign up form to appear on your website. Yes. Click on publish form and go to Shopify. Yes. So now I have clicked on the button publish form and go to website. So you guys will see it right now on my store, how the form will appear to the audience. Few minutes is loading guys. Few more minutes guys. We're almost there. Okay, so I will scroll down now for you to see. Okay, I need to go back to, yes, I need to refresh this page here. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Kindly stay tuned and keep watching. Still loading. So once it's done loading now, you will see the form we created. It will pop up immediately once this store is done loading. So once it's pop up and the audience input their email, you will automatically have an email list in your Klaviyo. So right now I'm coming to scroll down. Okay. Still looking for where it is. Please, one moment guys. Verify installation. Okay. Done. So guys, the form now is successfully live. It is the connection issue I'm having lately. That is what is causing it to take some time. I'm very sorry. I'll rectify that as soon as I can. So now I'll go back to this store Again, in order for it to display the form, I just publish. So guys, in order to save time while this is also loading, in this video I'm going to only explain how to create a form and how to publish the form. So stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to explain step by step how to set up a Klaviyo flow successfully. So I'm waiting for the form to pop up. Go down. Okay, I will check it again now, guys. So guys, I detect what I have been trying to check now. Is this button here? I did not on it. So please don't make the same mistake. Once I click on this on button, it will display automatically. Then I will have to click on save. Now I have saved it successfully. Still loading. Should display in the next few seconds. Yeah. Do you see this, guys? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Display just now. Okay. Okay, display just now. Let me refresh this page in order for you to see it very well. Please wait, please endure. I'm very sorry. The connection I'm having here lately hasn't been that so fast as I want it to be. So please bear. So I want you to see the form while it's displayed on the screen very well. Oh, okay, please, I have to read. So guys, it is displaying now. As you can see, this gift button, click on it and the pop-up will display immediately. So for example, I'm an audience now. I input my email. Immediately I input my email and click on get 10% off. Okay. Yes, immediately I click on this 10% off. You see, enter coupon. So to enter this coupon, I have to go back to my Shopify backend. Then I'll click on discount and I will add the discount now. Create discount, click on create discount. Month of product, that's 50%. Okay. Yeah, I just generated a discount code here, as you can see, guys. So fixed amount. Okay, percentage 50%. 50. Yes. So 50%. As you can see, guys. So this is how to do it successfully. Okay, shipping discount. Then I'll click on save discount. Okay, collection. Yes, I need to save collection now. I have to go back here and copy the name I used here. Then paste in this collection. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I can see what's happening. I haven't added the products yet on this store. So the collection, like the collection of products that I want to put the discount on. So guys, make sure you create a collection on your store before you go to this discount button. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time, and do come back to my next video. Thank you.